My boat Galopin and I are waiting for Simone, our Perkins diesel engine, to have her full makeover by Arona. We're living here during Senegal's rain season, which offers the most surreal views and bitch-slapping storms. As a sailor, I've learned that waiting is a good thing. It inspires me to fix things like this. Been way too long. Now how should I do this? Let's get some fishing line I don't use, and my cool new drill and a knife. I can add basket weaving to the arsenal of things I know how to do on a boat. Check this out. No problem. It's in there. It's good. I like it. Jeez, I can't even film myself if I wanted to. The cool effects through the fishing line. Once again, I'm a fucking genius. Yes, I am. Except when it comes to epoxy resin and fiberglass. That's when I go to Ibu. The man is a master. What he does with scraps, man, well, that makes him a genius. My Traveler needed a quick fix before it became a big problem. Bound to break. But it held up for quite a while. I shoved in a piece of brass in there and plugged it up with some stuff. Let's see if yellow could fix this whole part here. Taking the stainless steel screws out of aluminum was easy. Yeah, because we used a lot of Tef shell. So I was going to fix a small little thing here. Just get that hole fixed for my Traveler. And then it turned into one big hell of a deal. This thing is so corroded with salt. It's starting to split it. And I had a hard time getting it out, but again, vinegar and pounding. That's how I get it out. Now we'll see if they can fix this. They can fix the other one. It's not as much of a problem to fix the hole, but this, whew. All right, check this out. I got my dinghy. Last night, it's all done, looks great, feels great. Now I can do my gym every day. Rowing. That's the way to stay in shape. Got a nice new floor made. It's nice and solid now. Had him put a little bit of sand in there. Let's get rowing. It's the kind of exercise I like to do because instead of just sitting somewhere, stomach is really bugging me. Hear that? That's the sound of an artist at work. C'est une bonne journée pour travailler si ça reste comme ça.
C'est ce que je vais demander le bon Dieu. J'ai dit si aujourd'hui on pouvait avoir resté jusqu'à 19h sans un coup de soleil, c'est bien.
Ben, je crois qu'il t'a écouté, hein?
Ouais.
But now it's time for tunes. Arona loves it. He's a part-time DJ. Oh, puis le son, ça?
Ouais.
Puis t'as pas de gants?
Non, mais là, c'est pour ça que je veux passer là, il faut bien nettoyer, t'as vu?
Ouais.
Les propres. Après ça, je peux utiliser pour nettoyer le reste. Tu ne portes pas des gants, tu peux pas...
Moi, j'aime pas porter des gants non plus. T'as vu, ça, c'est de la bonne huile que j'avais gardée la dernière fois. Hein?
C'est de la minérale du moins.
Oui,
de la
oui.
Quoi?
appétit tout le monde.
Tu vois que les soupapes, ils tapaient sur le pisson. Tu as vu les marques.
Ah ouais, ok.
Et ça, il faut essayer de résoudre ce problème. Ça, c'est le point mort haut. Donc, tu as le premier et le quatrième. Après, quand tu le tournes, tu dois avoir le troisième.
Voilà.
Et le deuxième, tu vas.
Et voilà, voilà. Parfait.
Ne monte pas mes fesses hein, quand tu filmes.
No worries, Arona. Ladies like my vanilla booty.
Yellow is here. He's just checking on these pieces, these parts for the Traveler. It was a much bigger job than I ever thought it would be because of corrosion, and he's doing a great job putting this all back together.
Yellow works closely with Arona. He can manufacture just about anything in metal, like these parts for my Traveler.
Voilà.
Je vais faire des petites finitions.
He came over to check how the solid aluminum end pieces fit before finishing them. Then he'll fix the hole in the Traveler. He'll be done today, he said.
Super.
Donc ça c'est bon.
Ouais, bravo, merci. These are the pieces he's replaced. This one could have been fixed, it's alright, but this one was definitely done. Look at this. It was starting to split from the corrosion here. Look at that. I guess if you pulled hard enough, the whole thing would have split and ripped open, man. We'll keep him on board, never know.
And here we go, my Traveler, which I use a lot when sailing. So it's got to be functioning right and be strong. How much? Ask in the comments and I'll tell you.
Et voilà, on est quasiment au final. Donc il y a la culasse que je viens de poser. Donc là, je suis en train de trouver les boulons pour faire le serrage. Après, une fois le serrage, je monte la pompe d'injection. Après, c'est les rampes de culbuteur et après les réglages. Et j'espère bien aujourd'hui le faire tourner. Où ça? Ici, sur la table.
Simone, roaring here? This I gotta see. Meanwhile, we needed Diallo for the heat exchanger exhaust part. Arona and Diallo are having a creative meeting to discuss the concept. Meanwhile, I'm invited for a drink.
Drinking like fermented milk concoctions here. It's really good. Eva made it. Like curdled milk, fresh milk, African cows. There's Diego. Yama. This stuff is delicious. Definitely be outlawed. It's not pasteurized.
Oh, this is Sailor Jack from England. He's asking about a refrigerator unit. He's on the way to the Gambia. Cool dude. Hope to see him again soon. Watching Arona work is like watching a kid put a model together. Such calm and focused passion.
Mais c'est pas grave, hein, tu vois, ça coule du gazole. Mais une fois qu'il est monté, ça bouge pas. Les grands carottes comme ils sont sortis.
Ok, lépp mu ngi.
Wax na ko Ben?
Every part he puts back in is thoroughly clean. The shade tree mechanic keeps everything surgically clean. Like a puzzle, it's shaping up, and these are the parts that are left to assemble. Yellow, also an artist, gets to work. And the artists have admirers. Time to look cool, motherfuckers. Arona even took the entire starter apart to check and clean. That's beyond the engine rebuild duty. This man is so thorough and caring about every part. And that exhaust elbow looks badass. So, what's next?
brûle. Putain. Bon, ça tourne.
Chalo.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.